If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you have some idea of the value you can get from using points and miles to book travel. I'm here to tell you that you can be that friend who's always posting photos from far-flung destinations like Hawaii or the Maldives. All you need is a dream, some loyalty program accounts, and a little bit of strategy. So let's break down the top 3 things you need to get started with points and miles. Step 1, set some travel goals. This is my favorite step. Start thinking about where you want to go. This could be visiting family, a Euro trip, a honeymoon in Tahiti. There's no wrong answer. The key is knowing where you want to travel because that will help you decide what kind of points and miles you want to earn. For example, if you want to fly to Asia, you won't want to earn Southwest points because Southwest doesn't fly to Asia yet. But a great option could be United miles because United flies to Asia, as do several of its partners. The bottom line here is you want your points and miles to actually get you where you want to go. Step 2, sign up for loyalty programs. Anytime you pay for an airline ticket, you're entitled to miles just for having your butt in that seat. Same goes for hotel stays that you pay for. Sounds simple enough, right? It is, as long as you remember to create an account with the airlines and hotels. Remember, create an account. You'd be surprised how many people forget to do this, and there's really no excuse. You're leaving points and miles on the table. So pause this video right now, look at your upcoming travel plans, and sign up for those loyalty accounts. I'll be here. Oh, welcome back. Now that the lecture is over, I have some good news. If you forgot to add your loyalty account number to a flight you already took, you can still request those miles. Usually airlines let you do this for flights up to 12 months in the past, but it varies. Most hotels also let you request points from past stays, but usually with a shorter window of about 30 days. Okay, last step. Sign up for the credit cards that will help you meet your goals. So, you have a travel goal, you have your loyalty accounts, and now it's time to start earning the points. Most of the best travel rewards cards offer sign-up bonuses, which can get you up to 100,000 points closer to your dream trip. The important thing to remember is that these sign-up bonuses vary, and they almost always have a minimum spending requirement attached to them. And that means that you'll need to spend X amount of money in a certain amount of time, usually the first 3 months, in order to earn those points. Let me walk you through 3 of my favorite cards. The great thing about these is that they all earn points that you can transfer to various airlines and hotels. My first pick is a Chase Sapphire Preferred card. This is a good option for beginners. It's also great because it earns 2x points on travel and dining, and the annual fee is waived the first year. Next up is the Capital One Venture Rewards card. People love this card because it earns an incredible 10x miles at hotels.com. And the annual fee is also waived the first year. Finally, there's the American Express Gold Card. This is a great pick for dining at US restaurants because you'll earn 4 points per dollar. You can check out more options at thepointsguy.com. To wrap it all up, start with a goal, get those loyalty accounts, open a credit card, and start earning those points. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to your dream trip. So if you want to learn more about points and miles, go to thepointsguy.com and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Adios.